Hello, sir. I'm there, sir. I'm there. Yeah, yes. I'm there. Yes, I'm there. Okay. This is it, sir. This is it. For buying with us. For me? Yes.
Hey! Jesus!
Hello, sir. Hello. Yes, I have given you the food now. Hello, I'm there, sir.
Okay, bros. See me now.
I don't give you the food. Oh, wait.
Where the food? Where the food order?
Who you want to give food?
Which food?
Wait. Listen, are you? Why you gonna collect another person food now? I this guy. Jesus Christ.
Wait. You carry food give another person.
He just come at this and are you when they call me sis now?
Guy, if I was you now, I don't even understand what this guy they talk. I go carry food give another person. Waiting.
I don't say I just come out. He come out. Tell me say na him. I carry the food give am.
Share you order food? I don't order food though. You know order food? You can't carry person food they chop.
How come now?
How come as I didn't give me food now? Miracle.
Hey! What miracle be that?
See my stomach. I never chop anything. Since money. What they work? You can't carry another person food they chop.
No, it's not working.
Oga, you go carry this guy they go inside. I beg. No worry. We go chop you. Chop this food. Wait.
No, wait.
Nothing. Hey! We go chop you. Chop this food.
Many things they happen, many things they happen, many things on the same.